Karcher K2.14 is an ideal pressure washer for home and garden. It's brilliant for cleaning patios and decks, garden furniture, caravans, cars and bikes. It comes with a 3-metre hose, a handgun and a couple of lances, and it's really simple to use. I'm going to start by connecting the garden hose, and then I'll connect the high pressure hose. I then connect the high pressure hose to the handgun, and lastly the lance to the handgun. The standard lance has a fan jet which is ideal for general use. And the dirt blaster has a rotating pencil jet which is ideal for those stubborn marks. And finally, if you want to use some detergent to make the job even easier, simply pull out the detergent hose, pop it in and get spraying.